What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be heading out to a PDR guy local to Spokane. See if we can't get these dents out of it. In the last video I went around and showed you pretty much all the dents and imperfections on the car. So yeah, if you don't know what PDR stands for, it's paintless dent repair. And essentially, you know, they can just go around without drilling in or having to repaint, and we'll be able to pull these dents out. 3 of them look pretty easy, and then the other 2 might be difficult. And there's the one on the hood that I'll have him look at, but I don't think he's going to be able to get it out. I think that's one of those kind of dents that we just throw some body filler in and call her good. But yeah, we're going to go fire up the Subaru, and it's like a 14-minute drive, so we'll head over there. Got home from Spokane PDR. Got to give a huge shout out to the guy Alex that pulled all the dents out of this car. I'll give you guys a look. So even these little dents on the hood, he was able to pull out. So now all it is just a paint chip. So no more dents there. So whenever we do something with the hood, we just got to figure out how to, you know, kind of fix up the paint chips. But yeah, super stoked that he was able to pull all those out. Now, as you saw in the other video, we had a few dents here on the pillar, but if you look right up the pillar, it's pretty freaking straight all the way up. And even the ones back here, you can't even see them. Gone. So those ones are gone. And then he also fixed, someone leaned up against this fender here, is what we would assume, and it left a pretty big dent right on this body line. And now it's perfectly straight. So yeah, job well done by that man Alex. Like it was pretty cool to watch. I'm not a big bodywork guy, so watching someone pull dents out like that, and literally took an hour and a half, and he did all of them. So if you guys are in the Spokane area and you got a few dents, whether it's hail damage or, you know, just normal dents, collision dents, accident, like, you know, door dings, whatever, hit up this guy. His business name, I think, is Fix-A-Dent. And it's Spokane PDR. But yeah, I mean, I literally went right to his house and he knocked this out in under an hour and a half. So yeah, definitely hit him up if you need that kind of stuff done. Alright, it's a few days later. I got called into work the other day, but there's one more thing I wanted to do with this car for this video. If you guys remember when I got the car, the engine bay, and actually like the whole car was just really dirty. The engine bay was all dust, and one thing I didn't really check was it has a Cobb cold air intake on it, and when I was doing the timing belt, I noticed when I pulled off the little intake vent, there was quite a bit of dust inside the little Cobb airbox thing. So I think what I'm going to do today is take that off, clean up the airbox itself, and then maybe blow out the filter. Hopefully it's not too torched, or else maybe I'll just buy a new one, but we'll see. We'll dig into it and see what we can find. Alright guys, so just as I expected, it is pretty freaking dirty in there, and that filter's pretty freaking warped, like. So we might be replacing this. I'm gonna take the air compressor to this whole piece here, see what we can do. If it's, you know, broken, like it looks like it's pretty torched, so we'll pull apart this mass airflow sensor and then pull this whole filter right off from this pipe here, and then we'll just take the air compressor to it, blow it out, see if we can do anything good to it, and yeah, if we gotta buy a new one, we'll just buy a new one. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the car, and you know, it's pretty dirty, but I'm gonna take the air compressor to it all and see if we can't clean some of this up a little bit. So we got everything cleaned up, got the filter pulled back straight, cleaned out the best I could. Also went ahead, cleaned out all these hoses and pipes, including the mass airflow sensor. So we should be good to go. We can throw this back in, cleaned out. One thing I still have to do, we might as well go ahead and clean up the inside of the box as well, and then we'll throw it all back together and we'll be done for the day.